Number 6. Character AI. This is one my favorite AI, because in this AI has lot of fun and interesting facts. For example, if we go the websites, then we will see that there has lot of character. Now what this character means? Here each character can perform their individual task. For example, if we look at the Serato character, then we will see that, here it has written, he knows that you know that he knows. That means, what you want to know that already this character knows. Now if we go into the character then we will see that, there has many options. Now you can see that there has call button. So if I use call button, then what we want to know, that we can tell with conversion. Also we can use call button for talking with this AI. When we press call button, then whatever we want do, or want to say, this AI will reply you. And after finished our conversation, it will appear in our chat box. So in this way you can use this character AI for your daily task and also can enjoy this AI as a fun and interesting way. I hope you understand the video. Thank you.